Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Excel is fully closed and autosave turned off so temporary recovery files stop regenerating. Next, copy the folder containing the workbook to an external drive or cloud to preserve a fallback. Then open File Explorer and navigate to the Auto Recover path and the System Temp folder. These are where Excel keeps recovery versions and TMP files. Once done, make sure you can see hidden files and file extensions so you can identify exact recovery file names before deletion. You now search for Excel recovery extensions like ASD, XLK, files beginning with tilde, and TMP in the identified folders because those are typical recovery candidates. Compare timestamps and sizes to the original to confirm redundancy. Larger or newer files may be more current. Then open any suspect copy using Excel Safe Mode or import a copy into a new workbook to verify content without triggering auto repair. Make sure to note the exact file names you intend to remove so you avoid deleting You delete the verified recovery and temp files permanently by removing them and then emptying the recycle bin so they cannot be restored easily. After that, clear Excel recent items and remove entries pointing to the Auto Recover folder to prevent accidental reopening. Finally, restart the system and reopen Excel normally to confirm behavior. If deletion fails or files reappear, run disk cleanup and check disk integrity with chkdsk. Then repeat removal. This fixes locked files and persistent recovery traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.